Coherent Corp, ticker symbol COHR, has been silently rising and weathering the stormy market quite well. Let's shine a light on what's up with this quiet giant that helps the growth of electric vehicles and AI data centers, with crucial products like silicon carbide, SiC, substrates, and advanced laser technologies. These innovations drive energy efficiency in power electronics for EVs and enable the manufacturing of EV batteries. And since the global EV market is forecast to grow at a CAGR of 32.5% through 2030, positioning Coherent to benefit significantly from this trend. In late 2023, Coherent secured a $1 billion investment from Denso Corporation and Mitsubishi Electric Corporation, which both acquired minority stakes in Coherent's SiC business. These funds bolster Coherent's expansion plans in SiC and enhance its financial flexibility, making it a leading player in the EV sector while mitigating investment risk. Financially, Coherent has been, coherent, strong, and solid, reporting a 17% year-over-year revenue growth in Q1 fiscal 2026 and a 249 basis point gross margin improvement, driven by continued demand in AI data centers and communications. It's also well-positioned with $875 million in cash reserves and low debt of $48 million, allowing for flexibility to fund expansion. Yet Coherent isn't cocky. It knows competition comes from companies like Cognex and Applied Materials, which have a strong presence in battery process equipment, increasing pricing pressure and threatening market share. That's why Coherent echoed the need to maintain its competitive edge, balancing R&D investment with profitability. It's launched new products like the Axon FP femtosecond laser and the Edge CUT20 OEM cutting solution. These products represent Coherent's focus on simplifying operations for users in life sciences and industrial sectors. The Axon FP, in particular, is a portable, easy-to-use laser solution designed for advanced imaging applications, such as multiphoton microscopy in neuroscience and cancer research. This reflects Coherent's intention to keep expanding into high-value sectors, while its laser technologies also help drive recurring revenues from next-generation equipment. Looking ahead, Coherent's growth strategy relies on its ability to capture demand from optical transceivers, photonics, and emerging AI-driven markets. Recent launches, such as the 300mm SiC platform, enhance energy efficiency in AI data centers, positioning Coherent as a leader in wide bandgap semiconductors. This platform not only supports data center performance but also targets applications in AR and VR devices and power electronics, key areas for future growth. Coherent expects to ramp up 300mm SiC wafer production, offering cost reductions and improved energy efficiency, making it an attractive investment for those seeking different kinds of exposure to high-growth sectors like AI, EVs, and industrial automation. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.